Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another hair video. This time I have a wig from Megalook. I'm just showing you all the contents of the package. As you can see, this is a highlighted wig. And y'all know I don't do color at all. Well, I do color, but like all over color. But anywho, this is new for me. So this wig from Megalook is a 13 by 6 body wave balayage highlighted hair. That's what it's called. I have this wig in 26 inches. What you're seeing now is a wig that has been, I bleached the knots, I washed it, and I kind of toned the hair some. Basically, I just use purple shampoo. So all I'm doing is adding a little bit of makeup to the lace, and then I'm cutting the lace off. This wig does come pre-plucked, but the knots were not bleached, so I went ahead and did that myself. And yeah, I'm just cutting the lace off. Everything I'm doing right here is self-explanatory. So yeah. Now, when I put this unit on, I was surprisingly impressed. I love how it looks up against my skin. So I already parted this wig how I wanted it to be parted. I wanted like a nice deep side part. So here I'm just tweezing the hair that I plan to like cut and swoop and type like into like edge hair, and I'm pinning my hair back because y'all know all my wigs are glueless. I do not put any kind of adhesive or glue on my hair. So I'm just going in with this John Frieda Frizz Ease hairspray, and this hairspray does a really good job with keeping the wigs tacked down. In my opinion, like I can have the wig on for a good amount of time, and y'all know I don't even wear wigs like that, so literally like a few hours. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to tack the hair down with the band that they included. So cute. It just says Megalook on it. And we're just going to wear this band for a few minutes. Not too long because it really doesn't take long for the hairspray to dry. So it's been about a good 20 minutes. You don't need to leave it on long at all. So this is what the lace is looking like. It looks really good for me. I still consider myself like a beginner with the wigs because I half the time don't know what I be doing, but I be trying. And I'm proud of myself. I think I did a good job. And here I'm just cutting the hair that I'm going to swoop, not much at all. And I'm going in with the same hairspray that I used to tack the wig down. I love this spray because it smells good, it dries fast, and I don't have a problem with it. And since I'm wearing this deep side part, I needed some layers. So I'm just cutting some layers in this hair. And honestly, this probably took the longest out of everything that I had to do because I had to cut layers on my left side and my right side. And I'm right-handed, so cutting layers on the left side, right side, I don't know, the opposite side. It was difficult. So that's all I'm doing here. we're done with that. I love how it looks. If it was up to me, I would definitely cut a little bit more because the layers are cute. So I am going to go in with my curling iron. I'm just going to do some big loose curls in this and eventually brush them all out. But the hair curled really easy. I made this video like a couple weeks ago and my wig still has the same curls in it, so I would say that it holds a curl really well. I did finish off all my curls with some hairspray, which you'll see. But yeah, I'm just curling my hair, so just keep watching. And here I'm just brushing through the curls I did, and it kind of gives a cute, nice, loose body wave to the hair. The hair is extremely soft. It is textured. It's definitely not like a silky straight textured hair. So this is what the other side looks like. I definitely want to add a little more layer to the front, but so far it looks so good. I definitely can see how layers make a difference in your hair. But yeah, this is what we're looking like from the back. Really cute. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Megalook's hair info in the description box for you guys, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.